What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. At the beginning of this video, I want to show you guys one video clip. Here you go.
Hey Yusuf, 你好。你好，谢谢。
Yusuf Ahmad is a Uyghur who says he's a Chinese spy.
And who is this guy? This guy is the same guy with this guy. This guy just got gunshot 2 days ago on the street of Istanbul, Turkey. Who did this? I guess you already know. It's the same person who is killing millions of people by their bio-generated virus, Chinese virus. That's why you're wearing the mask, right? The same people who killed our brother called Yusuf. Why? Let me tell you why and introduce who he is. His name is Yusuf and he lives in Turkey, Istanbul. His parents got threatened by Chinese government to force Yusuf to become their spy abroad. After he came out from China, Yusuf stopped to work for China and revealed everything about Uyghurs, about his relatives, friends, and his family, about himself on the media called Al Jazeera with other Uyghurs who escaped from concentration camp. But after 1 year, he is dying on the street, just like the picture you saw, because some random guy just come and shot him on the street. Who shot him? I guess you already know. We only have one enemy in the world, that is Chinese Communist Party. They locked more than 3 million Uyghurs in concentration camp. They're selling our organs, selling our women's hair, using us as the slaves. Now they start attacking Uyghurs abroad. I don't know why, China, you're doing that. You might think you can scare the Uyghurs abroad by shoot some of them, like what you did on Yusuf. But China is so naive that they believe the evil regime and the evil thought can reach their goal by doing this type of evil behavior. Because there's 45 countries still stand next to China, like those so-called Muslim or Arab country in the world. They're still supporting China, what they're doing to us. They're supporting China doing this ethnic genocide toward Uyghurs. That's why China believe they have supported Chinese Communist Party. Your time is almost over. It's your time to end, and it is the time to Uyghurs raise in this world. I want you ready for that. It is time to Uyghurs. We will get our land back. We will live on our own land like how we lived in last 70,000 years. It is our time. And stop supporting China. Boycott made in China. Boycott made by slave. He is just another example of Miradil Hasan. Do you guys know about Miradil Hasan? If you don't, please go ahead, check my video from September 2020, this year. Try to review and explore his story to the world. He's a guy who speaks up for his right, who speaks up for his people, even though he already lost everything he can. Unfortunately, China took him, arrested him, just because of his speak up. And his freedom of speech only lasts 3 days. Now another guy called Yusuf, he speak up, but after more than 1 year, China try to end his life on the street. I know it sounds like a horrible movie or kind of action movie, but it is our reality. Believe or not, that is the reality of this world and what we are facing. If you believe Uyghurs should be free, Uyghurs should get their land back, Uyghurs should get their country back, so please click like button and share this video and let the more people know what we suffering, what we facing daily because of Chinese Communist Party. They took everything they can already from us. They're not just physically damaging us, they're mentally damaging us every single day by releasing those videos. How they raping our daughters, how they raping our women, how they killing our people, how they releasing the people almost sick just like them. There's no more space for fear in our heart anymore. That's why every single Uyghur become fearless already. That's why I recommend China. Stop. 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 That's all about it, guys. And I wish you can support us, support our UyghurMan channel, and I will see you guys next time.